Hello everyone, welcome to Math Tracker YouTube channel. Good morning children. In our last class itself we have completed till S4 in block 2. So in this class we are going to do few sums which are left in block 2, the remaining sums. So the first sum, what is the first common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10? So here we have to find out the first common multiple of these numbers. So for that we have to write the multiples of these number, then we have to choose the common multiple. Okay, here now I am starting with the largest number multiple, that is 10. So now I am starting with the multiples of 10, because whenever we find the common multiple, when we start with the largest number, it is easy to find out the common multiple. It is easy to compare with the other multiples. So now I am starting with the multiples of 10. Then you can write 10 table. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and etc. The next multiples of 6. Then you can write 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, then 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, etc. Then the multiples of 5. 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, then 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, etc. Then the multiples of 4. You can use 4 table. 4, 8, 12, 16, then 4 5s are 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Till 48, you know 4 table, no? After that, you can add by 4. Otherwise, you can use skip counting. So 48 plus 4, 52, 52 plus 4, 56, 56 plus 4, 60. Then the multiples of 3. So you can use 3 table. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. After that, you can use skip counting or you can add 3. So 39 plus 3, 42, 42 plus 3, 45, 45 plus 3, 48, then 51, 54, 57, 60. Then the multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, then 2 tens are 20, 22, 24. Till 24, you can use 2 table. After that, you can add by 2. Then 26, 28, 30, then 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, then etc. Okay. Now we are going to choose the common multiple. Okay. Now we start from the multiples of 10. Okay. The first number is 10. But 10 doesn't come in multiples of 6, isn't? Then 20. Then we check for 20. 20 also doesn't come in multiples of 6. Then 30. 30 comes in multiples of 6. 30 comes in multiples of 5 also. But 30 doesn't come in multiple of 4. Okay, so we have to leave that. Then 40. 40 doesn't come in multiples of 6. Okay, no. Then 50. 50 also doesn't come in multiples of 6. Then 60. Okay, so 60 comes in multiples of 10. Then 60 comes in multiple of 6 also. Then 60 comes in multiple of 5 also. Okay. So then 60 comes in multiples of 4. Then 60 comes in multiples of 3 and also 60 comes in multiple of 2. So the first common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10 is equal to 60. So 60 is the first common multiple of these numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. The second sum, which numbers from 1 to 10 have 48 as multiple? Okay, here now we have to check from 1 to 10 which numbers or which tables have that 48. Okay, we have to check 48 comes in which tables, which multiplication tables, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 48 comes in one table, isn't it? 148 is equal to 48. Then 48 comes in two table also. 2 24s is equal to 48. Then 3 table. 3 16 is equal to 48. Then 4 12s are 48. 48 doesn't come in 5 table because 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. So 48 doesn't come in 5 table. But 48 comes in 6 table. 6 8s are 48. And also 48 doesn't come in 7 table also because 7 7s are 49. Okay, so 48 doesn't come in 7 table. Then 8 6 are 48. So 9 table also 48 doesn't come in 9 table also. Okay, because 9 5s are 45. Then 9 6 are 54. So it doesn't come in 9 table. So 1 2 3 4 6 8 numbers have 48 as multiple. So these numbers have 48 as multiple. 1 2 3 4 6 8. So the next sum, third sum, which of the following are multiples of 2 3 4 5 7 and 9? Okay, so here they have given some numbers. We have to check these numbers are multiples of 2 or multiples of 3 4 5 7 and 9. Okay, so first multiples of 2. I'll tell you one simple method to find out the multiples of 2. Okay, if a number ends with even number, okay, even number means 0 2 4 6 8, these all are the even numbers. So if a number ends with these numbers, even number, it is a multiple of 2. Okay, if a number ends with even number, it is a multiple of 2. You can use multiplication table or you can check whether number is even or not. So two methods you can use. 21 doesn't come in 2 table. 13 no. 16 yes, 2 8s are 16. And also check 16 is a even number. So 16. 56 yes, 56 is a even number. So 56 is a multiple of 2. Then 104, it is a even number. It ends with 4. So 104 is a multiple of 2. Then 32. Then 90, 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay, you can check the table also. Then 44, 50. So these numbers are multiple of 2. Look at these numbers. All numbers are even. Then multiples of 3. 21. 21 comes in 3 table. So you can write 21. Then 13 doesn't come in 3 table. 16 doesn't come in 3 table. 56 no. Then 104 no. 32 no. 90. So 90 comes in 3 table. So 90 is a multiple of 3. Then 18 yes. Then 27. 3 6 are 18. 3 9s are 27. 44 and 50 no, it doesn't come in 3 table. Then multiples of 4. Then you can use 4 table to check whether the number is multiple of 4 or not. 21 doesn't come in 4 table. 13 no. 16 yes. 56 yes. 104, then 32, then 44. Okay, next multiples of 5. To find out the multiples of 5, you can check. It is easy, no? 5 tables, 5, 10, 15, 25, 30. All the numbers ends with 0 or 5. So if a number ends with 0 or 5, you can write here. 21, 13, 16, 56, 104, 32 doesn't come in 5 table, but 90, yes, it ends with 0. Then 50. So the next multiples of 7. So 21 comes in 7 table, then 56. Okay, only these two numbers are multiples of 7. Then multiples of 9. You can use 9 table. 21 no, 13 no, 16 no, 56 no, 104 no, 32 no, 90 comes in 9 table. Then 18, 9 2s are 18, then 9 3s are 27. Okay. So these are the multiples of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the next sum. If 9 into dash is equal to dash, then dash is a common multiple of 9 and dash. Is the statement true or false? Okay. Here they have given 9 into dash. That means you can put any number here. If we multiply 9 by any number, then that number is a common multiple of 9 and that number. If you take 9 into 1, 9 ones are 9, then 9 is the common multiple of 9 and 1. If we take 2, 9 2s are 18, then 18 is the common multiple of 9 and 2. So the statement is true. Okay, because when we multiply two numbers, the product is always common multiple of the two numbers. When we multiply two numbers, the product is always common multiple of the two numbers. See one example. 9 3. Okay, here I take 3. So 9 3s are 27. So 27 is a product. Okay. So that 27 is a common multiple of 9 and 3. So that is true. 27 comes in 9 table and also 27 comes in 3 table. So the product is a common multiple of that multiplicand. Then the fifth sum. Which of the following are multiples of 3 and 9 and 5 and 10? Okay, which of the following are common multiples of 3 and 9 and 5 and 10? Here they have given some numbers. We have to check whether the numbers are common multiples of 3 and 9 and 5 and 10. So the numbers are 12, 16, 56, 104, 35, 32, 90, 18, 27, 44 and 50. Okay, now we have to check these numbers. So for that we have to first write the multiples of 3, then write multiples of 9, then you have to choose the common multiples. The same way, then you have to write the multiples of 5, multiples of 10, then you have to choose the common multiples. So first multiples of 3. So 12 comes in 3 table. So 12 is a multiple of 3. 16 no, 56 no, 104 no, 35 no, 32 no, 90 yes, 90 comes in 3 table. 3 30s are 90. Then 18 yes, 27 yes, 44 no, 15 no. Okay, so these numbers are multiples of 3. Then multiples of 9. 12, 16, 56, 104, 35, 32. These numbers doesn't come in 9 table. But 90 comes in 9 table. So 90. 18, yes. 27, yes. 44 and 50 doesn't come in 9 table. Then you have to choose the common multiples. Okay, 90, 18 and 27, because 12 doesn't come in 9 table. 12 doesn't in multiples of 9, so you have to leave the 12, then write other 3 numbers 90, 18, 27. Then multiples of 5: 12, 16, 56, 104 doesn't come in 5 table. 35 comes in 5 table. Then 32, no. 90, yes, 90 comes in 5 table. 18, no. 27, no. 44, no. 50, yes, 50 comes in 5 table. Then multiples of 10: 12, 16, 56, 104, 35, 30, no. These number doesn't come in 10 table. 90 comes in 10 table. Then 50 comes in 10 table. Okay, if a number ends with 0, it is a multiple of 10. Okay, so 90 and 50. Now we have to choose the common multiples of 5 and 10. 90 and 50. 35 is not a multiple of 10. So 35 is not a common multiple. Only 90 and 50, these two numbers are common multiple of 5 and 10. So I gave these 3 sums as homework. Do it and send to me. Thank you, children.